All right, welcome back to the barn build. So today is the day we're going to try to attempt to maybe, hopefully, let's cross your fingers, get the rafters on. So I got some friends here and some family, and we're setting up staging now, and let's see how it goes, right? Oh, that didn't sound good. Now, I know what you're wondering.
Where's the ladder?
You're wondering, who the hell's going up there now? When you climb up staging, always climb on the inside. In other words, don't climb up the outside.
Oh, okay, I didn't know that.
Well, that's why I told you.
Did you know that, or you tried it and found out what happened?
Especially when you're 250-ish. 260-ish. They got ladders built right into it.
Well, I knew that, but I didn't know it was on the outside.
How do I do?
I don't know. I'm around, I think. I'm doing a great job.
Hi, what's the problem?
Well done.
Now what?
Now what?
I guess you have my sunglasses. When you look up at the sun, it gets kind of cray-cray.
Guys, relax.
All right, get out of
I
the
got
way.
this under control completely.
No, it needs to go with you, yeah. Try. Whatever you need to do, Steve, let me know.
I'm gonna go that way.
Okay?
Lift it over that back from me. That's our next goal. Because they do the layout for you, but you know, when the board warps and it's upside down, you want to put it the other way to suck it down, then your layout's on the bottom.
Yep.
Did you check the front to see that it was still
No, we haven't done that yet.
okay? Slacker.
I'm busy right now, Will.
You're up there, I wouldn't come down.
Well, you gotta
You
do
gotta make
the
sure
I
layout.
know what I gotta do, I'm just saying.
I'm not gonna stay up here for 20 minutes and watch you guys work. There it is. I can't get down from here.
You want us to move the ladder over?
Yeah,
Sure.
over this side.
Oh no,
Perhaps
you
to
can't.
this side.
You can't do that.
You can't really get to the obstacle course situation up here.
Okay, hold on.
Oh.
Hold on. Get out.
Okay,
Take it out.
cockeyed.
No, it's not flat.
all right, we're working on it, hey, we're working
Okay.
on it.
Is that at a 45-degree angle? 32-degree angle.
It's good,
All right, you
You
got
good?
two people holding your ladder.
I got you.
Ooh,
Now I
look,
gotta
a-
get this left leg over this bar.
Look, a squirrel.
That's the challenge, because that leg doesn't like to really go too far.
Squirrel,
Doesn't bend.
Doesn't bend
Maybe
really.
do the left one first.
there you go.
Ah, you don't need your hammer, right? Good. Oh, the hip. The hip will be the next thing to go, so do that. I can't get down from here, I'm serious.
All right, are we too old to be doing this?
Will somebody get an umbrella?
I can't get down.
All right.
Do your left leg. Stick your left leg straight out and through the hole.
You want me to go down
Left leg-
front ways?
No, turn around. There you go.
Oh, then I can bend the right leg, you say.
Maybe
Yeah.
you don't need to come down.
The one that's full of arthritis.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Carpenters for young men.
So, how much did that crew want to do this?
welcome back to the barn build. Today, the guys are here. They're digging the trench for the power and cable utilities trench from the road down there to the end of our driveway up to the house. So that's going on. As you can see behind me, yesterday we got some rafters up on the barn. I had a problem. I had a little technical problem with the camera, so I didn't get very much footage, but we were able to get all the ridgepole up, all 3 sections of the ridgepole. Let me take you inside there. I had my brother here, and my friend Will, and our nephew Chris. Chris and I were up on the platform up here, and Todd and Will were down at the bottom screwing in the rafters along the top plate there, and we were screwing them in up to the ridgepole. I really wanted to just get that ridgepole up while all the guys were here. I see it's in 3 sections. There's a joint there, there's a joint there. So now it's all set. We've got the pattern for the rafters. We had to make some cuts to the rafters, and Dan had a good idea. He said maybe strap the rafters to the excavator bucket and put them up one at a time. So there's, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 more rafters to go on the front and 11 on the back, so 22 more. We got, well, make that 24 more because the 2 end ones aren't on yet. So we got, what do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 12 up yesterday, and there's 24 more to go. But you know, we got a little layout done. We got the ridgepole up. So I guess Todd was talking about coming back in a couple of days, coming down Wednesday, Thursday, and banging these out. And then after that, we get the collar ties up on the outside here, so we flush with that rafter, and then I can get the pine on the upper part. So I don't know, we'll see. I'm taking one step at a time and figuring out as I go. So, you know, I'm just a do-it-yourselfer trying to build himself his own garage barn. So that's what this is about. This is not about trying to show how professionals do it. This is about just a guy who thinks he can get something done and figuring out a way to do it. So. To the barn build. We're here today to get some more rafters on. I got some help coming today. My brother's coming down again. My son's gonna come help, and Jen's gonna be here to help out. So hopefully we can get them all up there. We've got 13 on each side. I got them all cut the other day, so they're all ready to go. We'll see what we can get done. Okay, we're back for another day of barn building. I'll show you what we got done yesterday. Look at all these rafters. I was so tired last night I couldn't even get the camera out, but we got all the rafters done yesterday. They're all up there, and what we decided was, after they were up and we could see that profile on the end, we'll take it around to the gable end here. If you look from the top of the wall there to the ridge, it's 10 feet 6 inches. It just seemed like an awfully expansive space to just put pine on there with just one 2x6 across. So what we've decided to do is we're going to frame a wall from the top of the back wall, which is where we extended the back wall up to, all the way across. It's going to tie into the front wall, and it's going to go up the roof a little bit. That's like 5 feet. So we'll split that 10-foot distance in half. So we'll have a double 2x4 plate on top of that wall to nail siding into. The siding will come down and it'll overlap this siding. So we'll nail into that framing, we'll nail into the top plate, and then we'll nail into the rafter, and that'll really lock everything in. So I picked up some 2x4 16s this morning. Todd and I are going to frame these walls today and see if we can get this done. So I'll set you up, take you along. Alright, well here we are. I made it to the end of another day. Today we got the after putting the rafters on yesterday, you saw. Let me show you the rafters one more time because they're beautiful. The sun got you there. Anyway, I decided to frame these end walls to tie the front wall to the back. Since I made these modifications to this wall, I figured let's overbuild it. So we framed a 2x6 wall, we put a double plate on top. That'll give me another place to nail to. So we got that one done, me and my brother. Then we went out, had a lobster roll, because it's that time of year. And then we got this one done in the afternoon. So we're ready. We're ready for the pine siding. And then the fly rafters and the soffit and fascia. Yeah, soffit and fascia. So we're ready for the pine siding, and then the soffit and fascia board, and then we'll be ready to put some sheeting on this thing. And I just got a pretty good quote for standing seam roofing for the house and the garage, so probably going to go with that. But I'm not going to attempt that myself. I'm going to have the guys that are going to frame the house, they'll do that for me. So I just want to get some sheathing on it. I got to get the, you know, so after I get the pine on, get the fly rafters done, I got to get the overhang. I don't even have the material for that yet. Get the overhang done here. Get these posts in. 2x8 rafters. It'll come down, be sister to those, and come down and create my overhang. And then get sheathing on the roof. And then I don't know, I'll probably put tar paper on that. I think. Something like that. And then it'll be ready for the metal. So anyway, I'm tired. I'm gonna wrap this one up. If you like our videos, you want to watch as we finish the barn and build the house this summer, hit the subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, give me a comment down below, tell me where you're watching from, share it with your friends, man. And remember, do what you dig what you do, life will be sweet. See you next time.